Hello kids, welcome to my channel Mummy Teacher Kids Zone. Today we are going to start computer questions. Lesson number 1. Let's get started. Name the first computer. Abacus. What is Android? Modern operating system. Name the program that protects the computer. Antivirus. Name the famous computer company. Apple. Now like my video, share my video and subscribe my channel. See you in the next lesson. Have a nice day.